Good morning, fitness students. This is the plan for Friday, May 8th and Monday, May 11th. Today, you're going to get to decide on how you'd like to spend your fitness time. I hope that makes you excited that there's an option for a choice. But first, before we get started, I want you to think that we make over 35,000 decisions a day. That's roughly about one decision every 2 seconds. And most of the time, we don't stop to think about how we go about making, especially the split-second decisions that we do. We might realize for bigger decisions, we go through a process. And today we're going to talk about what that process is. We're going to use this decision-making model to think about what we should do or what you should do during your fitness class today to make sure that our decision, the decision you make, is truly a health-enhancing one and best for you today. So, the first part of the decision-making model I'm sort of doing for you. So the decision you need to make is how to spend your fitness time. And I'm telling you, we're going to take some time to think about it. And I'm here to help you. So yes, it requires thought, and yes, it requires a little bit of help for today. Next, you're going to think about examining your options. And we've had so many options so far in fitness class. Each of these images is a link to previous lessons that we've done, previous workouts, previous mindful activities, wellness activities. So when you look at your options, you could think about all of these as your options, or you might have some personalized and individual options of your own to think about. But I wanted to go ahead and let you know you can go back to any of these resources that we've done, and these are all available to you today to do. You can also check the Learning Hub for the workouts that I have posted there. And so thinking about your options, you have a ton. After you have thought about all your options, you really want to think about what are the benefits and what are the consequences of doing or not doing one or the other, or what might benefit you the most when you think about all your different options. Next, in the decide model, you want to identify values and possible influences that are coming into effect right now in your situation. So for example, the way you're feeling right now or any emotions you have might play a role in the activity you decide to do. Also, your motivation and attitude. I realize it's Friday, it's the end of the week, and sometimes when we're feeling down or low energy, that's going to play a role, especially into an activity decision that we're going to make. So I want you to take a moment to tune in to how you're feeling and how that might influence the decision that you might make. Next, you really want to think about what is the best for you today? What's going to be the best for your body? And it might not be the thing you want to do the most. For example, if you're feeling a little tired or sluggish, maybe you didn't sleep that well, and you have low energy, you might not be that excited to do a workout or a fitness activity that's going to be challenging on your body, that's going to get your heart rate up. However, you know that a lot of times those activities can actually help boost your energy and make you feel more energized within reason, obviously. So really think about what does your body need right now, even if it's not something that you're so excited about doing in this moment. And you're going to go through these steps using this worksheet. So you're going to go ahead and click here on this decide model that I made. This is a worksheet that you're going to do. You're really going to go through these steps. You're going to take the time to brainstorm a list. So you're going to think of 10 things you could do right now. Just thought jam. Everything possible, 10 of them that you could do in this moment for fitness class. Then you're going to really think about what are the consequences and benefits associated with some of those choices. Consider your level of motivation, your energy, and your investment right now. Is it high, medium, or low? You're going to analyze those just so you're aware of what's really influencing the decision you're about to make. And then based on prior knowledge in this class, based on the benefits of exercise that you know that we've talked about and wellness practices, you're going to decide on 1 to 2 activities to do during this class. And then at the end of class, you're going to take time to evaluate, which is the final step of the DECIDE model here. And you're going to take time to think about how this went, what your options were, what you decided to do, and what you would do again, and maybe what you would change for next time. And you're going to film that on a Flipgrid. So I want to give you some guidelines for time so this doesn't take longer than it should. So including watching this video, which is going to be about 6 to 7 minutes, take the rest of a 20-minute time to go through the DECIDE model. That means you're going to go through all of these steps and make a decision for today. Then you're going to spend between 20 to 30 minutes doing the activity. And you can choose 1 to 2. Maybe you want to do a short workout and a mindful activity. We've had a few classes here where we've done like combinations of mindfulness, wellness, and physical activity. So you can choose 1 to 2 activities and spend no longer than 20 to 30 minutes to do them. And then spend 10 to 15 minutes planning out and then filming your Flipgrid. So you really want to make sure that you're using and taking these evaluation questions, you're thinking about them first, and then you're filming your Flipgrid. So that way your Flipgrid reflection to me is very precise, it's well thought out, it's very clear and focused and as detailed as possible. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and email me and let me know. I hope you enjoy your time today. I'm excited to see what you're going to come up with and what you're going to do and how you put this model to action. I will see you soon.